Novogratz computer desk with storage, white marble. Give your workspace a mid-century modern upgrade with the Novogratz Athena computer desk with storage. Made of PVC laminated particleboard, this lightweight, easy-to-clean desk features a faux white marble desktop and gold powder-coated metal hairpin legs for a trendy addition to your space. Desktop comes pre-assembled and is spacious enough for your laptop and office supplies. The two open cubbies allows you to keep notebooks and paper within reach and off of your workspace. Long open cubby in the back of the desk is the perfect hiding spot for a power strip. The wire grommet will keep your cords organized and tangle-free. Complete your room with other items from Novogratz for a coordinated look, sold separately. The desk ships flat to your door and minimal assembly is required. The desktop can support up to 80 pounds. And each cubby will hold 5 pounds. Assembled dimensions 30.4 x 40.5 watts x 21.65 d. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.